Okay, quick video on my bench grinder mounted on this Power Fist pedestal. Power Fist is Princess Auto, Mastercraft is Canadian Tire. In the US, it could be from anywhere. Pedestals are probably at Harbor Freight, likely the grinder as well. Grinder works good, it's very portable for me. I can lift it up and move it around. I really like that part of it. The only issue I have, or have had in the past, is the vibration. And on a concrete floor, like I have it, it'll walk to the right every time. So I'll show you. Fire it up. So you saw what happens there. It just starts to vibrate and starts to crawl across the floor. Yeah, I could bolt it down, but I do like it to be portable so I can take it closer to the work. So what I've done, I've added one feature to it that keeps that from happening. So I'll get back to you in a second. I'll put you on pause. Hold on. Okay, back again. I have the vibration system in place, vibration dampener. And what it is a floor mat from my old truck. Rubber floor mat, very simple. Almost everybody has a floor mat laying around. So there you go. I'll fire it up and we'll see the difference. Not only is it noticeably quieter, it's not walking around on the concrete floor. So hopefully someone starting out new to the restoration or just shop work, young, starting out, getting going, doesn't know a lot about these things, there's a simple fix for you with your bench grinder if you happen to get one. Most people will probably already have figured this out, and that's good for them. But you know what, when you're young, starting out, it's nice to have someone help you out along the way. And I think that's why we make these videos, is to help the people out. And you know what, I've been at this for quite a while, and I learn a lot from people that post stuff on YouTube and just on the internet in general. It's become a very helpful tool, save you a lot of time and money. So I really appreciate the people that put out their videos. I know it's a lot of work. I don't do very many because it is a lot of extra work. I'm a little bit lazy that way. But anyway, I would like to thank everyone for putting out their videos. You've saved my skin quite a few times, and here's one of mine. Thank you.